Hello friends, today we will know some essential kitchen care tips. It's always said that the kitchen is the heartbeat of the home, where family and friends gather to share joy and happiness. Consider your family budget and expenses and follow these tips and tricks to see how they can help you achieve a modern and stylish kitchen. Recycle foil, aluminum, steel and glass. Bottles should be washed once to remove stickiness and odors. Identify degradable and non-degradable waste. Line the trash can with a durable, leak-proof garbage disposal bag to add disposal. Always remember not to leave utensils soaking in the kitchen sink for too long. This can breed bacteria and germs. Use hot soapy water to wash knives, cooking utensils and chopping boards. Wrap food in plastic or store it in a bag. This will not only free up space in your refrigerator but will also make food easier to find and stay fresh for a long period of time. To get such a more unique kitchen tips and tricks, like the video and subscribe to channel.